Melbourne.
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitter. Station W warning F69 in Fort Pierce. Warning alerts will be indicated between
I must severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast 8 to 3 a.m. Wednesday, January 18th, 2023 for the KPS505 listening area for the following counties in Florida: Citrus, Hernando, and Sumter, including the cities of Crystal River, Inverness, Bushville, the villages, Brooksville, and Spring Hill. Today, patchy fog this morning. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, more later and becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s.
Oh, yeah.
South winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday.
Dang, that test sounded nice.
Yeah, bro.
And it's funny because Ruskin and Melbourne ended...
Like, literally, right after the TBW EOM.
Yeah, Melbourne did their EOMs.
Yeah.
Jesus, Sanjin, I forgot how loud that thing was on high. Okay, 261, what the frick? The 382 went off? I don't know how. Yes, I know. And you went off on the second header, but... Dang, that sounded freaking nice. I don't even know if I can hear the BZ370 or not, but I think it went off. Yeah. Redicus went off. Both HHs went off. I was going to turn on the ESP, but that thing wouldn't have activated anyways. I'm surprised you went off for the Melbourne test, V4, and it actually shows the correct expiration time. Damn. It's lit.